Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about why sunrise and sunset look different every day. Let me start with a simple question. Have you ever wondered, the sunrise and the sunset come from the same sun, so why do they look so different? Sometimes the sunrise greets us with soft pastel pinks, gentle oranges, and pale yellows, but the sunset, it can explode into bold reds, fiery oranges, and dramatic purples. Even though it's the same sun, the colors we see are never exactly the same. Today, I will explain why sunrise and sunset look different every single day and why mornings tend to look softer while evenings look more intense. So, there are four main reasons why sunrise and sunset look different every single day. So, first, light scattering. Second, differences in atmospheric particles. Third, heat, humidity and cloud development. And last one, human activity and pollution. Okay, first, let's understand the basic science. Sunlight is made up of many colors, ranging from blue to red. When the sun is low on the horizon during sunrise and sunset, its light must pass through a much thicker layer of the atmosphere. As the light travels through this thicker layer, if shorter wavelengths like blue and violet scatter away, if longer wavelengths like red, orange, and yellow, it can be survive the journey. That's why both sunrise and sunset naturally appear warm in color. So, if the sign is the same, why do these things look different? For that, we look to the atmosphere itself. The atmosphere in the morning is very different from the atmosphere in the evening. For sunrise conditions, the air is cooler, dust and pollution have settled during the night, there's less humidity, and there's almost no human activity, which is no traffic, no factories, and no cooking smoke. Because the air is cleaner and calmer, sunrise colors look soft, gentle, and pastel. You might see pale yellow like orange or soft pink. And of course, human activity peaks in the evening. Vehicles, factories, and cooking smoke all add to the number of particles in the air. These particles scatter the sunlight more intensely, creating bright, bold, dramatic colors like deep red, glowing orange, and purple. So, clean air to soft sunrise, busy air to intense sunset. Finally, human activity shapes what we see in the sky. In the morning, most people are still asleep. There's no traffic, no industrial emissions, and very little smoke. Clean air, calm colors. Meanwhile, in the evening, now everyone is out. Cars, motorcycles, factories, food stalls, and cooking smoke. These add tiny particles into the atmosphere. And when the sun shines through these particles, it creates more scattering and making sunset look even more vibrant. In other words, humans unintentionally make sunsets prettier and sunrises cleaner. Last but not least, I'm going to conclude this topic. Sunrise and sunset looks different every day because the atmosphere changes throughout the day. The same sun shines on us, the same scattering process happens, but the morning air is cleaner and calmer, giving us soft pastel sunrise colors. But the evening air is heavier, hotter, and full of particles, giving us vivid and dramatic sunset. And last but not least, cloud development and human activities further enhance the differences. So, in the end, the sun provides the light, but the atmosphere paints the colors differently in the morning and the evening. Okay guys, that's all from me. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.